Hello everybody, this is Donna Miller with Miller Crafts, and today we're going to put together another Mother's Day card. We're going to use this same foiled paper that we used from the last video, and then I kind of picked out the other papers that I want to go with it. So I want to have this as my mat, and then I want to have this paper down, and then I'm going to have this on here. Now, I do believe that these colors don't match very well, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm just going to color the background. So I'm using Distress Oxide Ink. This is Spun Sugar. So I'm going to color the background instead of having white on here. I want to make this pink. And since this is the first time I've used this ink pad, it's going to take a while to build up the color. And I'm using the Tim Holtz, this is the glass media mat. Oh, I really recommend this mat, especially if you really struggle with doing distress ink. This is a great way of being able to color this stuff and making it look really good. And it's very easy to clean. Okay, so we have this. I just colored the whole thing, and you can see that this turned out to be a really light pink color, and you can still see all the shine from the foiling. I really like that. So we're going to get this card together. Now, one thing I did do is I changed the background. I thought the other one was too busy, so I have an embossing folder. This is a Darcie embossing folder. I got this at I think Joann Fabrics. So that was the folder I did, and then I used cardztv stamps. I used the mini messages stamp set, so that's this one. And this stamp set is very versatile. It has all kinds of different sayings. You've got 4th of July, weddings, Easter, Valentine's Day, New Year's, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Halloween. So this is a really great stamp set to have. You can use this one all year. It's sized just perfect for cards, and this is from cardztv. I really like this. So what I did was I stamped the Happy Mother's Day on here first, and then I ran this through my embossing machine, which I have a Cuttlebug, so I used my Cuttlebug on this. So that's what I did. And we're going to glue this together now, and I changed the background pieces from green to pink. I really think that brings out the pink in the flower better. So we're going to glue these together now. I'm using art glitter glue, which is in here, and I bought this different, and you can see this was kind of a scrap paper I had, and this is sometimes things I do to save money. So I had used this in a previous set, but I'm just going to go ahead and glue this on here. And even though this is embossed, it will lay down just fine. So I'm going to glue that down, and then I've got this one, and I'm going to glue that on this pink mat. And I'll have all the descriptions below. And you can see this one's different. It's got the texture on the front, but the back doesn't have any kind of outline on it. And art glitter glue is nice because if you feel like you need to move it, you have a couple seconds for wiggle room. Okay, so I have that all glued down. This came from Miss Katecuttables. This is one of her flower files. And I put that on some foam tape, so we're going to take the foam tape off. Okay, so I got the foam tape off, and I'm just going to glue that on there. Just press that down. And I kind of wanted it lower because I really wanted you to see all of that. And this has a lot of texture to it, because this gold foil is raised up, and then the background's also embossed, so it's raised up. All right, now I have my card base, and I don't know if you can see the shine on there, but this is done with the We Are Memory Keepers foil quill. So I really like the look I got on that. It's super shiny. It looks super professional. Everything came out perfectly. So I'm just going to glue this on here, and then my Mother's Day card will be finished. Okay, so here's a better look at that card. It is all finished. I really like this one. The way that it came out, I like the colors on there, and I really like the shine on the inside. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you click and subscribe to see more card videos coming soon.